guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Being the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. Hope everybody's having a great week out there, able to lock in some profits in this very volatile crypto market that we are in. In this video, I'll be talking about the top cryptocurrencies that I think everyone should be watching in the month of December. So we have entered into December, the holiday season. So let's start with the first cryptocurrency. So first on here we have Terra, which ticker sign is Luna. On here we can see on their 1 hour they're down, but on the rest of their metrics they're up, which is 24 hour, 7 day, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year. So definitely up on a lot of those metrics. These are the different exchanges that support um, Luna, which is Terra. It is based on smart contract, so it is a smart contract based cryptocurrency. And so smart contracts have grown more and more in popularity. So that's definitely something to look forward to if that's one of the niches you'd like to invest in. Going to the profile section on here, just going to give a small brief history of Terra. So Terra is an algorithmic governed signage share style stablecoin platform to which collection fiat peg tokens and a stabilizing crypto asset Luna are native. And so this is just the history of it. Going to their website on here to give a little bit more information. Programmable money for the internet. Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. So, DeFi being decentralized finance is something that's growing more and more in popularity with investors all over the crypto market. So going down on here, this is just saying build on Terra. Terra ecosystem is booming. Join the creators, build, end users of Terra ecosystem to pioneer the future of DeFi and online communities. So we continue to go down here, some more videos explaining what's going on. It says with Terra asset supports by leading blockchains. On here, there's just some more information talking about build on Terra, and then become a validator. That's something, if you want to do it, there's an option for that. Going to the next page on here, just basically gives more information on Terra. So how the protocol works. You can learn more about that. You can learn about staking. Staking is a great way to grow your account, so to grow the amount of crypto that you currently have. Staking is a great option. Talks about governance. Also, we have a glossary, so you can learn some terms that they use to help you understand how the coin itself works. Lastly, on here, I want to talk about in their docs section. You can actually find this on their main page, but in their docs section, it actually gives you more information on it. So I'm just going to briefly go over this so that you know what Terra is. So the Terra protocol is a leading decentralized and open source public blockchain protocol for the algorithmic stablecoins, using the combination of open market arbitrage incentives and decentralized Oracle voting. The Terra protocol creates stablecoins that consistently track the piece of any fiat currency. Users can spend, save, trade, or exchange Terra stablecoins instantly, all on the Terra blockchain. Luna provides its holders with staking rewards and governance power. The Terra ecosystem is quickly expanding network of decentralized applications, creating a stable demand for Terra and increasing the price of Luna. So on here, just talks about the two different ones, Terra and Luna. So Terra, stablecoin that tracks the price of fiat currencies. Users mint new Terra by burning Luna. Stablecoins are named for their fiat counterparts. For example, the base Terra stablecoin tracks the price of the IMF's SDR, named Terra SDR or SDT. Other stablecoin demonetizations or denominations include Terra USD or UST and Terra KRW or KRT. All Terra denominations exist in the same pool. And then we have Luna, Terra's protocol native staking token that absorbs the price volatility of Terra. Luna is used for governance in mining. Users stake Luna to validators who record and verify transactions of the blockchain in exchange for rewards from the transaction fees. The more Terra is used, the more Luna is worth. So then on here it just talks about how Terra Protocol works. So that's definitely some great information. Stable coins are the main feature of Terra Protocol, crypto assets that track the price of an underlying currency as a digital form of currency. Terra stablecoins can be used just like fiat currency with blockchain's added benefits, an unchangeable public ledger, instant transactions, faster settlement times, and fewer fees. Stablecoins are only valuable to users if the main or if they maintain their price peg. The Terra protocol uses the basic market forces of supply and demand to maintain the price of Terra. When the demand of Terra is high, the supply is limited, the price of Terra increases. When the demand for Terra is low, the supply is too large, the price of Terra decreases. The protocol ensures the supply and demand of Terra is always balanced, leading to stable prices. So basically, the stable coin model. So you guys can go read more about this. It talks about stable coins itself, scalability, validator staking. Delegators and the different phases, as well as rewards, slashing deposits, governance, all the things you need to know about Terra is in here. So I think based on what they're trying to do, in the stable coin world, I think it's definitely one of the coins to look at in the future. Next, we have Cartesi. Cartesi, ticker sign CTSI. They're 1 hour, they're actually down, but the rest of their metrics, they are up. 24 hours, 7 day, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year. You can get them on these different exchanges. So they're on Kraken as well as Coinbase and Binance, which are some of the main exchanges that a lot of people use. They are ERC20 based tokens. So if you're going to get it on, let's say like Uniswap version 3, you will have to have Ethereum in your wallet to convert over, and that's one way you can get your hands on Cartesi. Otherwise, you can just go on Coinbase or Kraken or Binance and just get it that way. On here, they are smart contract platforms, so another one in the smart contract community. Going to their main website. This is Cartesi.io. So this is their main website. Limitless coding, build smart contracts with mainstream software stacks. Take a productive leap from Solidity to the vast universe of software components supported by Linux. So all you Linux coders out there definitely will be happy that it is built on Linux. Massive scalability, enable million-fold computational scalability, data available of large files and low transaction costs, all with preserving the strong security guarantees of Ethereum. And then on here it has privacy guarantees from games where players conceal their data to enterprise applications that run on sensitive data, preserve privacy on your dApps. So on here, has a decentralized computational oracle for blockchains. Um, Descartes executes massive computational task off-chain on a Linux virtual machine, fully specified by smart contract. The result of a computational or of computations are fully verifiable and enforceable on-chain by honest Descartes node runners, preserving the strong security guarantees of the underlying blockchain. So on here, this talks about the rollups, so scalable smart contracts built with mainstream software stacks. On here, we have no ether, high performance side chain for data availability. And then on here, this is the entire ecosystem. There are 15 plus ambassadors and regions, 20 plus wallet exchanges, and then they have over 126.61 million Cartesi currently staked. So support the chain, develop with Cartesi by using your preferred blockchain. So they have the Binance Smart Chain on here, Polygon, um, Injective Protocol, Elrond, Avalanche, Ethereum. So those are some of the ones that they support. On here's the blog, just give some information, and then you can go join the community of Twitter page, Discord, and Telegram, and then their GitHub as well. So going to the next one on here, this is just a small introduction. They do have a video, so you can learn more about it. This is just going to be a small explanation, so I'm going to read some of this so that you all can know what Cartesi is. Cartesi is a layer 2 platform for development and deployment of scalable decentralized applications. Cartesi dApps are composed of both blockchain and off-chain components. Off-chain components run inside Cartesi nodes that represent the interest of each dApp user. Cartesi nodes provide dApps developers with reproducible Cartesian machines where large scalable verifiable computations can be run. These verifiable computations are easily integrated into smart contracts by powerful primitives that provide strong conflict resolution guarantees. More precisely, any dispute arising over the result of computations run inside Cartesian machines can be fairly adjudicated at negligible cost of the blockchain. Cartesi nodes also allow dApps developers to run native code. Native computations can leverage process the node's full processing power, including any available GPUs. Whether performed natively by the node or inside Cartesi machines, off-chain components run under a complete Linux operating system that provides the full ecosystem required by complex computations. Cartesi enables dApps developers to use all programming languages, tools, libraries, software, and services they are already familiar with by moving most of the complex logic to their dApps to portable off-chain components. Developers are freed from the limitations of idiosyncrasies imposed by blockchains. In this way, Cartesi empowers developers to select the best runtime environment in which to host each pair of their dApps. So, this video may explain it a little bit better, but that's basically the whole premise of Cartesi. And next on here, we're going to talk about Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a proof of stake cryptocurrency that is based in the sector of smart chain platforms. So they're actually up on majority of their metrics except for the 1 month. And they're available on all these exchanges, so Binance, OKEx, and Qbot Global. Um, they're not available on Coinbase, so if you're using Coinbase, you may not be able to get to it. But on these other exchanges, they are available. They're actually on a little bit of a bullish run up on their 24-hour and 7 days, so definitely looking good overall. Definitely, smart contract platforms are going to continue to grow in this December month. So on here, this is their main website. Um, of all the things they're doing. So Near is eliminating the barriers to Web3 adoption with high speeds, low fees, and progressive UX. Near's climate neutral blockchain is ready for explosive growth. So for a multi-chain future, Near runs in concert with Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and more, allowing the free flow of assets and communication between their networks for betterment of all. And then on here it just says choose your path, so you can build decentralized apps on developer-friendly platform that features low fees, high speeds, and infinite scalability. On here, that for the growth section, startup or grow on the platform that sets you up for success. Investors, partners, and users are waiting. And then belonging, when you find a purpose, you'll find people. Pick a wallet, create an account, and start contributing today. So that's basically synopsis on here for Near Protocol. So make sure you guys go check it out, explore the website. It is based in the smart contract ecosystem, so that's definitely something to look for. Going to their profile on here, just gonna end it just talking about what it is. So Near is a decentralized development platform that uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism and will eventually feature a shared architecture to scale transaction throughput. It is a block generating or generation scheme is called Doomslug and is proposed. Sharding design is dubbed Nightshade. These technologies will work together to scale the network and minimize congestion. Near has also been designed to be developer and user friendly as it features a few key innovations to accelerate the application development and user onboarding process. The Near blockchain was created and developed by Near Foundation. The mainnet went live in April 2020, so it's not that old. And the network validators voted to unlock token transfer in October 2020. Near's bridge to Ethereum, called the Rainbow Bridge, launched in March of 2021. So, still fairly new overall, but it is going up in price. So, definitely one to look at in the smart contract platform. So last on here we have Phantom. So Phantom, ticker sign FTM. Uh, it is a BEP 20 or BEP 2 as well as the ERC 20 and native token. So you can get it on these different exchanges. So it's available on Gemini, Binance, and OKEx. Not on Coinbase currently. So not available on Coinbase. On here, they are down on most of their metrics. In the 1 year, they're actually up quite a bit, quite significantly, but they are in the smart contract platform community as well. So let's go to their site. On here, it says performance matters. Phantom is a high throughput open source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. So that's really all you need to know. Speed, security, and scalability. Phantom's ABFT consensus protocol develops unparalleled speed, security, and reliability. Enjoy instant transaction and extremely low fees. So a lot of these tout extremely low fees, so that's something to look at. You might have to do a side-by-side comparison on their fees to see who has the lowest fees, because that is something that definitely could plague your account. So on here, they already have 80 plus dApps already developed on Phantom. So these are some of the dApps that they currently have. So Shiba Swap, um, Graviton 1, Firebird, Sushi. So all of these have been made on a Phantom. We have cross-chain bridges on here as well. You have lending and borrowing. You have NFT platforms. So a lot of projects already being launched on Phantom. So definitely make sure you go look at all the different projects that are on here. On here we have a ranking system, so it kind of ranks the different projects on here. So number one is being lending, which is Geist Finance. You have Tomb Finance, which is under DeFi. You have Curve, Spooky Swap, Beefy Finance, Scream, Spirit Swap. All of these have been built on Phantom. They're all Phantom projects. So make sure you guys go check it out. Total value locked is quite a bit. So definitely there are a lot of projects being built on there, especially in this ecosystem right here of the ones that are already being built. So definitely go check out Phantom. I think they're going to continue to build more projects on Phantom. So the ecosystem is just going to continue to grow more and more. So out of these different cryptocurrencies out here, which one do you think has the most potential to go up? So first we have Luna. Next we have Cartesi. Um, Next we have Near, and then lastly we have Phantom. So drop a comment down below. Tell me which one of these are your favorite, and which one do you think has the most potential to go up. While you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps YouTube out and promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.